Welcome to the SkillsOnlineNS program. Are you wanting to invite others to take SkillsOnlineNS courses that are relevant to your interests or organization? If you are an employer, would you like to select courses for your employees and track their progress? If so, this video is to help you make the most of your private learning network. The first step is to sign up and select that you want to create a learning network to manage training for your organization. If you have already signed up as an individual without choosing this option, you will need to contact support to have a learning network added to your account. After you have set up your learning network, whenever you log into your account, you always start off in the Public Learning Network. This is the place where all residents of Nova Scotia can access training for free. To find your private learning network, the next time you log in, click on My Course Park at the top of the page. Then scroll down until you see the section My Learning Networks. It will be on the left-hand side. Select your private learning network from the list. This will be the name that you entered during the setup. The SkillsOnlineNS Learning Network will take you back to the Public Learning Network. Now it's time to invite your employees or learners to your private learning network. To make it easier, we're just going to refer to them all as learners for the remainder of the video. To add learners at any time, select the Members menu on the left-hand side of the screen and then select the Invite Others button. First, you will need to decide who you would like to train. Enter the learner's email address and then click the Add button. Once you have added all the learners that you want, select the checkbox in the To Confirm section and then click the Send Invites button at the bottom. You should also let your learners know that they will be getting an invitation email from Course Park so that they can keep an eye on their junk or spam folders, as the email is often directed there. You have two options for adding courses. You can add free content from the Public Learning Network. First, browse the course catalog. Once you have finished browsing, make note of the courses you want and then send the support team a request to add it to your learning network. You can contact the support team via email at support@coursepark.com or by clicking the question mark on the right-hand side of the screen. Within your private learning network, you are able to manage the content offered from the Course tab on the left. You can do this using the Add, Import, and Create buttons displayed at the top of your private learning network. Let's take a look at each of these options. Selecting the Create button will allow you to create a course from a PowerPoint. When the PowerPoint is added, it can be assigned and tracked just like a course. Selecting the Import button will allow you to import your own course content if it is a SCORM or Tin Can course. You can also access paid courses by selecting the Add button. This will redirect you to the marketplace where you can choose content to add to your private learning network. This content is primarily paid content and can be added for a cost. Once your content has been imported into the private learning network and you have invited your learners, you can assign content directly by following these steps. Select the Assign button next to the desired learner or learners. Please note, the assigned learner will receive a notification that they have been assigned the content. After your learners have accepted your invitation, create their own accounts, and start taking training, you have the ability as the administrator to run reports and view their training data. Select the Reports menu on the left-hand side and apply any filters you may want to add to the data. From the Course Reports tab, you can select All Courses for a complete report, or select Selected Courses to select individual courses. From the Members Reports tab, you can select All Members for all learners who have taken training, or Selected Members to choose specific learners. You can apply course filters to narrow the scope of your report. You can choose completion status, date ranges, course type, or even grade ranges. Once complete, you are able to export the report to Excel. In addition to all these functions, you can also customize the look of your learning network. You can add your company logo. Hover your mouse over the Course Park Learning Network logo, then select Edit. Use the Select Image button to browse for your image file. You can also change your settings by selecting the Settings menu on the left-hand side. From the Settings menu, you may want to update your learning network name, description, welcome message, company name, and company size. Click on Save and Update to apply your changes. When you create a private learning network, a SkillsOnlineNS ambassador will be reaching out to talk about your specific needs and provide additional training if desired. They can also complete any of these administrative tasks on your behalf. If we are able to provide any additional assistance or you experience any technical issues, please feel free to contact support@coursepark.com. Thank you for investing in the training of your employees and clients.